See, this is why I said I don't just like to short stuff or buy stuff right after as soon as it touch it after it's reached the terminus. Cause see how once we got up here didn't show what I wanted to continue on. But anyway, now what I've been watching today is we got this accumulation here and we blast off. Right now, since the ES and the Dow are not willing to go there, I'm viewing this as the manipulation. And now here on the lower time frame, now that we've got this breaking market structure, this is the opening range low, that's the opening range high, right? Now that it's wicked out this opening range low, what I want to see is it shoot back up aggressively back above these highs and take out this buy side, right? To see like the wig snatcher setup, like tricky in the shorts, stop them out, tricky in the longs, and then come back and get them, right? Looking for the wig snatcher, right? And then plus we got a fair value gap up here and a fair value gap there. So that's what I'm watching right now. If it don't give it to me, it don't give it to me, and oh well. But that's what I want to participate in a short right now. Okay, so price is taking too long. It's not doing what I wanted to do. It's taking too long. Right, we wick below the lows, and then we start to rally up, but we didn't take out the highs. So it's not doing what I wanted to do. So and then we're moving into it's almost 10:30. So we're moving to that time where price likes to dilly dally sometimes after a big move, and we've had a big move. We got a big move up, big move down. So I'm typically trying to be off the charts by 11, and we're getting to that time where we may start engineering liquidity. So I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. I was able to take a small trade last night, so I'm happy with that for right now. I'm just gonna leave it alone. It ain't giving me exactly what I want. Like I said, we made a big move, and now it's in that time where price likes to dilly dally. Now, if it decides to run off with me without giving me what I want, then that's fine. But and then I can't come back this afternoon and see what it presents because hanging out with mom, going to the movies. So yeah, that is what it is. Didn't give me what I wanted. Didn't get a chance to participate in this. I got up late. I was brushing my teeth. It was a beautiful setup from the pre-market to the pre-market high to pre-market low. Right, and this was the pre-market high here. Right, it went up there, had a nice setup and dropped down on the 1 minute time frame back to the pre-market low. It was a beautiful setup. I couldn't participate in that because I was brushing my teeth, but I was looking at it on my phone. But yeah, I don't care about all that. Anyway, big move. Now I'm looking at this as we may be going into some more engineering liquidity here at this breaking market structure. Right? Do I think that the down move is over? No, I don't, because we're here at this breaker and we're working this breaker right here. We're working that break. We're engineering more liquidity there, but it's not giving me what I want right now. And so I'm just willing to walk away from now. All right. See y'all in the next one.